This is Tokyo's signature dish, Monjayaki. What's Monjayaki? Well, let's take a look. There's no food more quintessentially Tokyo than Monjayaki. It is as pizza is to New York, or as Italian beef is to Chicago. Simply put, it is Tokyo. In this episode, we'll take a look at everything you've ever wanted to know about Monjayaki, where to get it, how to make it, and most important, how to eat it. It's Monjayaki time! In post-war Japan, resources were scarce, but one thing that most families had available to them was dashi stock and flour. Dashi stock and flour serve as the basis for all of the variants of Monjayaki. Just about any other ingredients can be added. Monjayaki is eaten with moji-bera. Moji-bera means word spatula. Children didn't have much chalk, so they could practice writing words using the flour mixture at their mealtime. Tsukishima Station is ground zero for Monjayaki. In Tsukishima, you'll find around 50 shops specializing in various forms of the signature dish. Let's hit the streets. How about this one? Ham, cheese, and corn? That sounds like my kind of style. We've enlisted the help of a professional to make sure that we can have some delicious Monjayaki here. The moment we've been waiting for. It's manja time. Use your moji-bera. Carefully lift the Monjayaki off of the griddle and put it into your mouth, avoiding third-degree burns. Alright, you know what to do. Time to head down to Tsukishima and get your manja on.